Losing access to your Apple account means losing access to your photos, your mail, and your apps. It is a sudden, frustrating barrier, but most lockouts are resolved at home in under 10 minutes. Your account is protected by an automated security system. If the system detects too many incorrect passwords, a login from an unrecognized location, or suspicious fraud flags, it freezes the account to secure your Apple Pay and iCloud data. Before you try a reset, read the exact wording on your screen. Apple uses specific labels for different levels of security, and the text you see determines which tool you will use to regain access. Disabled for security reasons requires a password reset. If it says account is locked with a request access button, tap that to begin the review. Locked and can't be used leads directly to account recovery. Alerts mentioning media and purchases are billing related and require Apple's reactivation tool instead. Attempting the wrong recovery method triggers deeper security delays. Every failed guess moves you further from an automated fix and closer to a multi-day manual review. A trusted device is your fastest route back in. This is any iPhone, iPad, or Mac already signed into your Apple account that you can currently unlock. On an iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap your name. Navigate to Sign In and Security, then select Change Password. Enter your device passcode to set a new account password immediately. Note that if stolen device protection is active and you are away from a familiar location, Apple will add a 1-hour security delay before you can complete this change. For Mac users, click the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Click your name, then Sign In and Security, and select Change Password to use your Mac's login password for the reset. Apple allows these instant resets because the combination of your physical hardware and your local passcode provides verified proof of identity, removing the need for secondary web checks. If you do not have your own trusted device, you can use the Apple Support app on a friend's phone or a display unit at an Apple store. Inside the app, navigate to Support Tools and tap Reset Password. Select the option to Help Someone Else and enter the email address for your locked account. This process is private. The Support app is designed to prevent any of your personal login data from being stored on the borrowed hardware. If you cannot access the app, go to iforgot.apple.com from any web browser. This works on any operating system and uses your phone number or email to start the verification. During a web reset, Apple may automatically redirect the process to a notification on one of your Apple devices. If this happens, follow the instructions on that device screen to finish the password change. These methods are slower than using a trusted device because the system must verify your identity through external points like SMS or secondary email addresses. Account recovery is the final option for users who have lost their password, their trusted device, and their recovery contact at the same time. When every standard verification path is broken, the system shifts into a high-security waiting period. You can start this process through the I Forgot portal. Once active, Apple requires a 72-hour baseline wait before sending the final instructions to your verified email or phone. During this wait, do not use any other device signed into that Apple account. If the system sees the account active on an iPad or Mac, it cancels the recovery request automatically. If the device itself is locked to a previous owner's ID, you are dealing with activation lock. This is a hardware-level restriction that a password reset cannot fix. To clear an activation lock, you must visit alsupport.apple.com and submit formal proof of purchase. Apple will then manually review the documents to verify ownership. Avoid third-party iCloud unlock services. These locks are on Apple's servers, meaning external sites cannot bypass them, and these services are often scams. The forced delays and strict hardware requirements are intentional security features. They are designed to make the account inaccessible to unauthorized users, even if they have your physical device. If your request access attempt is denied, wait 24 hours before trying again. This allows the automated system to clear any temporary security flags associated with your account. If you are prompted for security questions you have forgotten, Apple provides no manual override. You must move directly to account recovery to bypass these older security measures. If you lack a trusted device, a phone number, and email access, the account becomes permanently inaccessible. At this point, you must create a new Apple account, which means losing all photos, apps, and subscriptions tied to the previous identity. Regaining access is fastest when you use a trusted device, which can bypass standard resets in under 2 minutes. The I Forgot portal is the next logical step, though it requires more time for secondary verification. Use account recovery only when all other software paths fail, and reserve the activation lock portal for hardware ownership issues that require proof of purchase. Success depends on a precise diagnosis. Identify the specific security message on your screen and apply the approved method for that exact scenario.